Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, skid plates, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.